Hi everyone, my name is Abel Grey Cantoma. I'm from GREYTEST Card Design Concept. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number, you can call me, okay? On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually create a report, okay? We have actually created an earthwork quantity, and then we've gotten all our cross sections, and then our alignment and our profile and all of that. Now the next thing we are going to do lastly is to actually create a report. Now to create a report, all you need to do is just to come to your toolbox here. You can see we have prospector, we have settings, we have survey, we have toolbox, which is the last here from the list. And then you can see here we have report manager. All you need to do is just to click on this plus sign, a drop down menu will come up, and then on our report manager you can see here we have different reports for alignment curve, for alignment design criteria, general legal description, incremental stationing, PI station reports. Okay, so all of these reports we can actually convert them to PDF, or we can make them in Microsoft Word or in text file, and then we can actually print all of this report. I'll be taking you through that process right now. If I click on this, I just double click on that, you can see it's telling me that my alignment design criteria verification report. Here you can actually change, okay. You may actually have different kinds of alignment that you must have created on your window. So but right now you can see on our window we just have the new road alignment, and then I can specify a directory, a particular place where I want my file to actually be saved as. All I need to do is just to click here. Once you can see the start station, wherever I want to include in my report, I can specify, okay, the particular station. It could be from station 50 to, let's say, 150. So within that 50 to 150, I just want to see that report for my alignment along that chainage. Okay, so here I'm going to click on create report, because I want to actually create a report for the whole entire road, okay, which is actually from 0 plus 000 to 2 plus 709, okay, which is over 2 kilometers here. And then here we have this. I'll click on here in order to specify. Here I can save as type, okay. These are different type. This is Microsoft Word, this is Excel, this is text documents, this is PDF, okay. So let's say I want my file to be saved as a PDF file, okay. All I need to do is just to actually give it a name, okay. But I'm going to actually maintain this name, and then I will click on save. So once I click on save, I click on done. But before done, I will click on create in order for it to create this document for me as a PDF file. So as you can see here, it's showing me that it's actually creating this report for me. So allow that to finish loading. Once it's done with loading, okay, so you can see my alignment design criteria is actually in a PDF file. Here you can see here what we have here is print file, okay. So I can actually send this to anybody anywhere. You can access this on your phone as well, and then you can print this on your printer, okay. Just connect your system to your printer, and then you actually print this file. So as easy as that. The same thing we do here is exactly what we do for every other report that you actually may want to create. Okay, you can see general, you can see this report if you double click on this. Okay, so this same process which we followed on the first one is actually the same process which we are actually going to take for each of these reports that we may actually want to create. So if you love what you're seeing, make sure that you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. It's actually free. You see a red button written subscribe down below, and you click on that red button and you have subscribed already. Okay, so make sure you stay safe and you stay blessed.